Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll be showing you exactly how to find your sent messages on Facebook, step by step. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides like this one. Step 1. First, open Facebook in your web browser. Simply go to the Facebook website and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a messenger icon. Go ahead and click on it to open your messages. Step 3. After Messenger opens, you'll see a list of recent conversations. To find a specific sent message, click on See All in Messenger at the bottom of the panel. This will open all of your messages in a new window. Step 4. Now, in the left-hand corner of the screen, you'll find the Search Messenger box. This is where you can type a search term, like a name or a word from the conversation you're looking for. Step 5. Once you've entered your search term, click on Search Messages below the search box. This will start the search for any messages that match your keyword. Step 6. Under the Messages section, you will now see conversations that mention the keyword you searched for. Look through the list to find the one that contains the message you're looking for. Step 7. Simply click on a conversation to open it and view the message you sent. You can scroll through to find the exact part of the conversation you're searching for. And that's it. You've now found your sent messages on Facebook in just a few easy steps. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.